Is it just me or the tech news today are hot? Hello everyone and welcome to Newstown Mini. I'm your host Harris and today we got some juicy news. Let's get started. We're coming in hot, boys. The Oppo Find X6 Pro is finally here, and wow, it got some serious camera stuff. The Oppo Find X6 series just launched with two phones in the lineup, the normal 6X and the Pro. First, let's just talk about the big boy, the Oppo Find X6 Pro, which Oppo says it's ushering in the three main camera era, and yeah, they ain't lying. All three of the cameras on the back features the largest sensor in the smartphone world. Like the wide camera has the 1-inch sensor f1.8 from Sony that is found in the Xiaomi 13 Pro and the Vivo X90 Pro. That's not new. But the ultra-wide lens is a 1/1.56-inch sensor f2.2 is one of the largest used in an ultra-wide. And that's the same for the periscope, which is the same 1/1.56-inch sensor with a bright f2.6. Literally the best periscope hardware. Not only that, the cameras are once again made in collaboration with Hasselblad, and you get software tuning to the colors and the plethora of unique Hasselblad looks and features. Oppo is also pushing the possibilities of its new cameras to its custom Mary Silicon XISP, which allows for faster focusing and accuracy, as well as a 42% image stabilization range for the periscope lens. Say bye-bye to shaky footage. And for the photos, all three cameras support deep fusion of uncompressed raw image data, and you can also shoot in 4K Dolby Vision HD. Insane. For the rest of the specs, if that's even important nowadays, the screen is a 6.82-inch 1440p AMOLED display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate to 40Hz touch sampling rate, also with 2500 nits peak brightness. That's bright. Inside, it has the beast Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with 12 to 16 gigs of RAM and 256 to 512 gigs of storage. For the battery, it's a 5000 mAh cell with 100 watt super fast charging and 50 watt AirFu wireless charging. It will also have IP68 with Android 13 and ColorOS 13.1. If you're interested, it will come in brown, black, and green, which the brown is pretty special. It's covered with vegan leather unlike the others. What's not special though is that it's only for China, so you can buy it. The basic one will cost you $869, nice, and the top tier will be over $1,000. And if you want to know about the normal X6, then it's a smaller version of the Pro in terms of the screen, with a Dimensity 9200 inside, smaller battery, and slightly slower charging at 80 watt, no wireless charging, IP68 only, but hey, some of the top tier cameras are still there, like the periscope, but the main and ultrawide are worse in hardware. At least it will cost you $650 for the basic one. Still good? Let's cool it down with some bonus news. Speaking of cooling down, you won't actually, as the latest Windows 11 update was found slowing down SSD performance. What the crap? Yep, some Windows 11 users have found that using the latest update is hurting their storage performance. The impact appears to be quite severe for those affected, with some seeing half of their performance gone, with others saying that the OS and game loading takes much longer. So yeah, if you're using the latest Windows 11 update right now, beware that you might be at risk of this problem. The update arrived last week, and on Microsoft official Reddit thread, a lot of people are having storage performance issues. It seems like it happens to people who are using NVMe drives, and they claim that their SSD speeds went from 7000 megabytes per second to just 3000 after the update. Another guy also took some screenshots of the test, and yeah, it looks pretty bad. Good thing that rolling back the update will solve the performance issue. Still, this ain't pretty, and I definitely ain't switching to Windows 11. Yeah, that works fine, man. Oh wow, what a feast. But you gotta come back on Monday for more juicy tech news like this one, and subscribe so you won't miss it. Cool? Peace out.